about to comment. I'm moving on as a meeting.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wait, get my bag. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry for keeping you guys waiting. I was stuck in traffic. It's okay, no problem. Nina, please come. Please let me have the file. Okay. Your boss said you were bringing some other files for me to see. Yes. Do you have it here? Yes. Oh, great. Thank you. I've gone through this already. So. Okay. Stanley the village class.
And so?
Are you now aware that he's madly in love with Kamdele?
How is that my business? They are madly in love, not only him. Why are you? Is it because of this that you are calling me? Eh?
Amaka, village school teacher. Village school teacher. In love with a high class lady. As Kamdele. Does that not ring a bell to you?
It doesn't ring any bell to me. It doesn't ring any bell to me. Let's go, Joe. Pork nosers.
Judakuya.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Charm me out.
Mama. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me help you.
Don't worry. What about your brother?
He has gone to school.
But I thought today is not school.
He did mention that.
I'm just coming back from the market.
So you got to pay me $5.
Did you sweep the house? Got to give Fafia? Did you wash the plate?
I'm reading my book now.
Read your books now. Read your books. Don't ask for in here.
Mom,
Let me cook.
I'm studying now.
So if you're studying, you will not do anything in the house. Okay, study. Let me go and prepare food that I will eat. Keep studying.
Mama.
Hello, honey. Hey.
Hi, baby. How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm good. I'm in class. And you?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm good. I just wanted you to know that I'm coming home this weekend.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be expecting you then.
Okay, my love. I'll let you go back to work now, okay?
Alright now.
And always have it in mind that I love you.
I love you too. Love you plenty. Bye.
Oh my God. Oh.
You are a criminal. A very big criminal.
Yes, and that is how I'll continue to pick any careless money in this house. Keep calling me Oloshi. Yes.
Did you say careless?
Yes.
My own money. Careless. So we go careless money now.
Yes.
Hey, you a very big.
Leave me alone. Neka,
you are a very big. I will give you head though. I will not do.
Neka,
I will not do. I will kill you.
Leave my shirt.
I will kill you. I will kill you. My money.
You better kill me because I will not give you 1 naira today. You
better
kill me because I will not give you 1 naira today.
What is going on here?
Okay.
How people behave like husband and wife? Which husband? This your husband? Ole! I'm a criminal!
You are the
one! Oh no, she! This is not my husband.
This is how you fight every day.
See,
what is it?
Listen, tell this thief to give me my 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira!
You just said 10,000 naira.
If not, I will kill him.
You just said 10,000 naira. You stole my money, my 10,000 naira last week. And I revenge. Now you are boiling around. Now I forgot.
Yes.
Have you seen how painful it is?
Your money?
Yes.
Your money is our money.
Which money?
Oh, this one is my own money.
Do I know you? I'm a 1 year old.
Neka, leave me alone now. Neka, leave me alone. Leave me alone. My money. My money. If I don't see that money, I will change it for you. I will change it for you. Neka, leave me. Let him be.
I believe it's my love. When I go, I say I double. On a attack, if I it's my love. I love
Ugochi, look at me. Look at where life have kept me. Ever since I had that miscarriage, I have not been able to take in again.
Nika, calm down, please. You wasn't taking, it's not a rush.
I should calm down. 3 years. 3 good years in this marriage. And you are telling me to calm down when I have nothing to show for it. Nothing. Tell me.
Neka, this is why I said you and your husband are supposed to be at peace with each other. Now is the time you guys are supposed to look for a lasting solution to this problem. But no, all you guys do is fight every day.
Ugochi, you do not understand. Njoko is a demon. Yes, he wants to kill me. God forbid. He wants to kill me. The little money that Candide gave me the last time she visited, that useless thing you called my husband, took it from me. He did. And he even beat me on top. Ugochi, I will poison him. Yes. Njoko must die.
God forbid. Nika, why would you say a thing like that? You want to kill your husband? Nika, please stop saying something like that. Don't allow somebody to hear you.
Njoko, you have forgotten. You have forgotten that my father is a strong native doctor. I will kill you, bury you, and nothing will happen.
Neka,
and after that, I will remarry. Me, more Neka.
You will not remarry, Neka. Stop saying all these kind of things. You and your husband are supposed to make peace instead of problems all the time, but you will not listen.
Boy. Hold on, no, wherever. Where's that? Big one. How are you? Huh?
Brother, good morning.
Yeah.
How many times will I tell you to stop calling me brother in this village? Huh? You call me brother as if I aged your elder brother. Huh?
Jai, it's not how I will call you by your name.
You know what? Call me NJ as Njoku in her profession. I think that one is better. Eh? Easy now. Just Buena Kenke. NJ as Njoku in her profession.
I can't tell.
Okay. Are you the only one at home? Where is your mother?
Yes, she went to the market.
Oh, market. Okay. I know your brother will be in our village field by now. You remember that day that I told you that I like your cream? And the way it's glowing on your skin. Eh? You remember that day?
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. Eh? So please, I want more glowing. You need to go and buy another cream. Get more. Yes. And I believe this money will be enough, right?
What is money for me?
Come on, it's nothing, baby.
It's too much.
Come on, I do it for humanity. Humanity. I love helping people.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem, baby.
Thank you.
Just get more, Almost scratch out the canal, Just get more so that the scratch.
Papa, mom, here.
Hey, wait, mommy, give me a giver. Hey, one. Oh, mommy, so sorry, my love, so sorry. So please get more, Can I have more glowing, Very soon, Papa say Gloria.
Thank you.
Mama can't be rich. Mama can't be rich.
This is the second time. We have asked you to pass a message across to Kamderi to come home. I don't even know whether you are passing this message across to her or not!
No. Kamderi said she is coming back this weekend.
Stanley, do you know what the villagers are talking about you? Do you know?
What are they saying?
Okay, I will tell you. They said you are a fool. No, they said Kam is fooling you. That she's using you to play football. And I'm beginning to join them.
Alright. Join them now. No, join them.
Wait, is that all you have to say about this? Stanley, what is all this thing now? How can you be dating a rich girl like that? And you are still like this? She's not even trying to help you push from this humiliating job of yours. Or even try to make you a lecturer.
See, I will still repeat myself. The job I'm doing is just to while away time. What is your problem? See, besides, I'm still waiting for Chief Johnson. Chief Johnson assured me of a big appointment in his company. When he comes back, then we'll relate. What is your problem? Why are you taking Panadol over someone's headache?
Chief Johnson. You have been saying this Chief Johnson for the past 19 years. I can't even calculate. Every time Chief Johnson... Guy, what is wrong with you now? You dey fall my hand though.
Your leg will soon fall, join. Nonsense.
So this is all you can say about this thing, No problem now. There's no problem.
What? My dear, I don't understand. I don't understand. He said he likes my skin that is glowing on a book.
He likes your skin that is glowing. Babe, don't you know this man is married? Are you not in this town? Babe, be careful.
I know he's married. But will I chase him away? See, he even gave me money. Plenty money to buy cream. See, he gave me 15,000 naira. And he said he likes helping people. People like me.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
Babe, this is a trap. Don't you know that his wife is a daughter of the greatest chief priest? Chief priest Annie! Hey, babe!
I know. But it's not harmful.
It's not harmful. Babe, be careful. Be careful, that's what I can tell you.
I'll be careful. He gave me 15,000.
Me, I don't like married man. I don't know. That's
Wait, Candy. So of all those big guys with high qualities, I mean classic men in the society, you mean you chose that male teacher? That same guy you showed us in your hometown. He's the one turning your head like this.
Listen, girls. I did not invite you girls here to insult my man. Please.
But what Bella said is true. Candy, why are you falling our hands? Why?
You know what? I don't think I'm up for this discussion. Can we drop it, please?
You just have to leave that guy. He is never your class. Let him go.
Oh, you hype him. I mean, push him to your standard. Please.
I should push him up to higher standards, right?
Sure.
Okay, let me ask. After that, what happens? I mean, I don't get how you girls see life. Why do you think everything has to do with class? I'm waiting for an answer.
Naya Kangwagwage Kamdiri or whatever they call you. I will never allow you to get married to that church rat. Never!
Yes, Kamdere. Oh. You are not going to bring disgrace to this family. You see that one teacher? You will never marry him. Yes, you will never marry him. He's never your class. I will never be your class.
So who is my class?
No,
yes, I am asking. Who is my class? You?
Daddy, your class.
Or you? Do you people want to marry me?
Iganu.
No, I'm asking Iganu.
Jidenna is your class. Iron Money Egwigwe.
Jidemale.
He's your class. Not that church rat.
And I'm going to make this clear to you two. You two hungry-looking fellow elders. You are not my father. Neither are you my mother. Neither are you going to marry me or tell me who I'm going to marry. Do I look like your daughter? No, you, Ngiwa. Do I look like any of your daughters? What is this? Mama, Biko, tell them. Tell them. Let it sink. If it does not sink into your head, let it sink into this your inspired red cap.
Huh? Yes.
Stanley is the only man I am going to get married to.
Yes.
Whether you like it or not.
That is the final say.
Jidemale.
Iron Money. Let's go, Ichie. I can see you out of your mind.
You are the ones that are out of your mind. You are the ones that are out of your mind. Mama, don't tell me it's okay.
Keep them.
See, shoe.
Nonsense.
Walking like an inspired baboon. Nonsense. No, you people should come now. Come and force me to marry Jidenna. You want to use me as a bait and you have daughters. Why won't you give out your daughters to you?
Don't mind them. Don't mind them, my daughter. Don't mind them.
Hungry looking chiefs. I wonder who gave you people that title.
I don't know.
Mama, better go and tell them. Tell them the next time they come here, I'll chase them with hot water.
My daughter.
Tomorrow we go better. Then when I believe in you. It's my love. When I go, I say I double. On attack if I it's my love.
My own in Joko. Hey, Aya. Your food is ready.
Do you want to kill me? Huh? No, Ichebum. You will not succeed.
Joko, if I want to kill you, do you think it's by food poisoning?
I don't know.
Of
Might be
course
food
not.
poison. It might be stabbing. You might even use your father's charm. But listen, I am stronger than you and your father. Nonsense.
I see.
Yes! And soon, I shall bring a woman to this house that will give me a child. Yes! Because I can see you are not fertile. And what if I from the class and do one? Yes!
Joko, what did he say?
I shall bring a woman to this house.
Joko.
Yes!
Hey! Joko, are you man enough?
Huh? I'm not man enough.
Are you man enough? How can you impregnate a woman with a watery span?
Watery span?
Yes! Your span is watery.
Okay.
For how many years you couldn't even not even for once? You've not even impregnated me for once. You cannot do anything.
Look at
You're
you.
not man enough. They call men, you will not come out.
Look at you.
You will not come out.
Look
now,
at
let me
you.
tell you, shut up. Let me talk.
Okay.
If you dare, as much as you bring in anyone into this house, I will kill you and kill her.
You'll kill me.
And not only that, I will set this house ablaze. Bet me.
Really?
Bet me.
Let's see.
You want to try me?
Let's see.
Bet me.
Let's see.
Idiot.
Let's see.
I'm not here.
You are not fertile. I'm
giving you food in this house. Useless
I don't
food.
need your food. Don't feed me again in this house.
Don't give me food again.
Don't feed me again in this house.
You can't even perform.
Yeah.
Useless.
Get out! Get out! Iburi can have I can come down there.
Yes, you
I can come down there. Take it away. I don't want it. I need a woman that will give me a child.
Food again.
You are not fertile. Isi bosigia. Isi bosigia. Otaki si bosia. And what if I ever? You are not fertile. Get out. Yes. I can't be watching you. Put on the back and then make a film. Get out. I need a woman that will give me a child. You are not fertile. Nonsense. Don't worry. Very soon I'll bring a beautiful woman that will give me a child. Not even a child. Children. Children. Who are now body at this compound? What are you not saying? Don't worry, I will shock you. I will shock you. Idiots. Look at you. No.
You claim to be seeing the future. Great seer. How come you didn't see that your own marriage will be like this?
Sabina! Yeah? Sabina, did you come here to insult me? You didn't come to my house to insult me? Eh? Take your time. Take your time.
Did you have to say it to her face?
Sabina!
I am not good at gossiping. And you know. Ugochi. Why are you acting as if you don't know? Let's stop pretending and covering the truth here. Nneka, we all expect your marriage to be juicy. Did you not tell Njoku that you both have a future together? Or is the future yet to come?
I can see that you're here for me to fight you. Oh yeah, get out.
See, I will go. But what you did in the past is here with you now. Nonsense.
What? Hey, both of you, enough! Enough!
What did I do? You're asking me what you did.
I said enough! Give what?
Hey, Obia. Obia kwa. Yes, sir. This is it. Take.
What for?
Oh, come on, take. It's yours, okay? Take.
Why do you keep giving me money?
Oh, come on, baby. Are you not a lady? You need money to maintain this skin. You need to go know then. Menka, my American man, don't you? You need to take care of yourself.
See, I don't understand what is going on. I don't know why you keep on giving me money. But honestly, I'm not comfortable with it.
Oh, you should be comfortable with it, baby. Listen, you're like a goddess to me. I should be giving sacrifice for at least granting me the opportunity to stand here and talk to you. You know what I'm talking about. Yes.
Leave me alone.
Sorry.
See, thank you, but I have to go.
Listen, remember, like I told you, we are just friends. Eh? And we're okay for us. Eh? Yes, I just like you. Where are you also? Eh? But listen, do not allow those your friends to deceive you. You know, friends are very bad. I don't like you for Oma. After when I get her now, they'll start talking. So be very careful, eh?
I've heard you.
Beautiful, beautiful. Nekuya, Nekuya, Nekuya. Look at my goodness. Nekuya. Chai. Ocheka. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, bye-bye.
Onyinye. 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 How many times did I call you?
Onyinye what? None again. What is it? But I have told you I'm not doing anything with him. Stop, Joe.
Onyinye, you don't have anything to do with him. But when he comes, he gives you money all the time.
Don't I share it with you? Don't I give you the money?
I will collect now.
So why are you complaining?
I'm not complaining. If you give me money, babe, I will share. But when the trouble comes, I know deal. Don't say I didn't warn you about this guy. This man.
Meaning what? See, Nana, I have tried on my best in order to make him not to come close to me anymore. But the more I push him away, the more he keeps on coming. So what do you expect me to do?
Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Until it gets to your puna.
Not possible.
It's not possible. You have bad luck there. It will get to it. All this money that is giving
I don't know. Share what? You. Share what? Hey.
So y'all said she went visiting a friend.
Yes, my son.
Alright, cool. When is she coming back?
I don't know, but she will be back before night falls.
Alright. Yo, Pablo? Can I have my check and the pen? Alright. So you know, you're my prospective mother-in-law. Alright? So y'all need to look good. Y'all need to freshen up. Go on a shopping spree. Alright? That's how we do. We show some love. We show some love and appreciation for your time. So you can have this.
Darling son now. I don't need it.
Oh, come on, ma. You're not gonna say no to that. I just want to show you love. We show some appreciation for your time. That's not a big deal. You can have it all. Come on.
Thank you very much. If I need money, my daughter will give me money. I really appreciate. Perhaps you can give to homeless people an opportunity to have a home with this check. Anyways, thank you very much. Oh?
You know, I respect that. Alright? I respect that. That's some real talk right there. But ma, this is 200,000 bucks. Okay, alright, I'm gonna make it 500,000.
It doesn't matter, huh? Just give it to the motherless baby.
Really?
Yes.
I respect that. You, Pablo, you can have this. Alright. I need to borrow my homie Jay-Z on the phone. We got a lot of shit to talk about, alright? Nigga, pull up my car and let's move. Alright. Tell her I came by.
No problem. Hey! See you. He has joined the queue of prospective waiting mother-in-law. Hey! You want to marry my daughter? Ha!
Oh. Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. whether good or bad, our love is stronger. We love ourselves. It doesn't matter girl, what one can afford. Cha-cha. Oh, this is true love, oh, from above. This love is beyond human imagination.
Honey, you're back.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Well done, eh?
Hi. You should have waited for me to finish fetching water now, so that we'll do the sweeping.
And I'll be doing what? Sleeping inside. It will be too much stress on you. It's okay, I'll take care of it while you fetch the water.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Meanwhile, I need more water. I want to wash your brother's clothes before I leave today.
So bad, eh? Oh, Malicha. Thank you so much. Eh? I can't wait for my brother to make you his wife.
Yeah.
You're such a nice lady.
Oh, thank you very much. But it is step by step. No jumping.
I got jump up where?
Thank you.
I'll fetch more water.
Thank you.
Oh, here comes the love of my life.
How are you?
I'm good. I see you're set for school.
Yes, so.
And you are looking too fine. Hope those female teachers in school don't look at you.
I have only my eyes for you.
Are you sure?
My
Are
eyes
you
just
sure?
for you.
Okay. The way I'm looking at you.
It's just for you.
All right, let me drop you.
One, two, two.
Mama.
Mama, good morning. My angel, how are you?
I'm fine.
I know it must be your handle. Everywhere is very neat. If it's Onye, Onye would never do anything in this house.
Mama Mbakwa, Onye is trying. She's just coming from the stream.
Nokwa.
Mama, let me drop him off at school.
Yes, I'm running late.
All right, so bad.
Mama, when I come back, I'll finish up.
No, don't worry, I will do that for you.
I don't want you to touch this broom. Yeah, I will drop this broom. It's where I want to see it when I come back. Don't touch it. Just go inside and relax. My love, let me get my key. I'll be back. I heard Candle is in town.
Oh, she came in yesterday.
She didn't make fit to come see me.
Neka! Ha! Your own is to pick issues with everybody. Everybody must have issues with you. Rest. Ha! Do you know if the poor girl that just came in yesterday, if she's busy doing one thing or the other, your own be say she no one can see you. I beg. Ha!
That's her one cup of tea. I know she'll be busy gallivanting the whole village with that church rat. Eh? What teacher? I don't even know what she see in that guy. Right from my secondary school days. She don't want to let that guy
Neka, please. Don't even go there. I don't have your strength today. Can you tell me why you invited me to your house?
My husband. I suspect he's seeing a girl from this village.
Great, yeah. Neka this year, you have seen another one.
She? I'm serious. I'm not joking.
So who is the girl?
I don't know. I want you to help me find out who this girl is. Do an underground work to find out. I need to know who she is.
So this is why you invited me. I should go and do an underground check on your own husband.
Very important. I need to know who wants to take my husband from me. Can't you understand? Are you not my friend? Eh? I'm
not assuring you. I'm not assuring you.
Now lie. You will assure me. What are friends for? You have to do it for me.
Fine. I'll check. I'll try.
Where's this woman?
Oh, Nai.
Where's your daughter? I mean, where is Kandri, your daughter? I heard she came into this village since yesterday, and I have not set my eyes on her. Kebono!
Are you not with her contact? Call her on phone and know where she is now.
You, this woman, I can see you are projecting her to that village teacher. You know, you love poverty, and that's why you have soaked yourself into poverty. But I know what to do. Don't worry. I know what to do. By the time I discover or find her in that idiotic fellow's house, you will not like what I will do to you. A guy like ya.
Why are you suddenly interested in Camden and her affairs?
Uh-huh.
Were you able to buy her book or pencil when she was in secondary school? What is even secondary school? Primary school. Now that I have suffered and trained my daughter, you have discovered that she is very, very important. Woman,
do you know you are talking nonsense? You are talking arrant nonsense. But don't worry. I know what to do. I definitely know what to do. I will go to that boy's house. I will talk with him man to man. Then by the time I'm done, he get where he is.
Seba Pobiko, bad uncle. Bad uncle. You never cared about her when she was schooling. When she was wearing tall uniform to the school. Now she is important to you.
Ugochi, I don't like the way you behave, honestly.
What did I do?
You appear as if you are a good person to Neka, but you know you are not.
Sabina, how do you mean I appear to be a good person to Neka, our friend? Please, what are you trying to say?
Because you are scared of telling her the real truth. Yes! Oh, is it because her father is a native doctor? Why are you so scared of her? Why?
Come, Sabi. What are you trying to say? Why are you saying I'm scared of telling my friend? And what truth are you talking about exactly?
Have you forgotten?
Forgotten what exactly? Sabina, go straight to the point, I beg.
She told Kamdiri that Stanley will marry a very rich woman, which she will be the link to both of them. Yes! She said it when we were still in school.
Hey. Sabina, Neka, our friend, did not just say it. She is a seer. She did not just say those words. She flinged her carries and she saw the future for both of them. So what are you saying?
You don't have sense, Ugochi. Yes, you don't. So you believe that nonsense. Don't you know it is because of that rubbish that the gods are punishing her in her marriage now? Don't you know?
My friend, will you shut up your mouth? Who are you to conclude, Sabina? No be everything you go Sabi.
And this has gripped fear in Kamdiri that she's so scared of helping her childhood lover.
Come, did you also forget that Neka, our friend, said that Kamdiri is going to grow up to be a very nice, classy girl, which she is now, and she's doing very well in the company she's working, which she will soon be promoted to be the managing director of the company. Did it come true or not? So what makes you think that the vision she saw about Stanley and her will not also come true?
It's like you have forgotten. Kamdiri paved her way to the top. Kamdiri is smart, intelligent, above all hardworking. She paved her way to the top. It's like you forgot a lot in a hurry.
Sabina, shut up your mouth.
Wait, let me break it down. Back then in school, she used to teach us economics, business studies. Yes, so I believe Kamdiri paved her way to the top. Not
Sabina, shut up your mouth. Sabina, over Sabi go kill you. Learn to mind your business.
I will not.
Neka, my friend, is a seer, and that is true.
Neka is not just your friend, she's our friend.
She's a seer.
She's not a seer.
She believe it or not. Nothing. Me, I believe her. She's a seer.
Believe her.
She sees.
She's not.
Imagination. Our hearts beat for each other. We are meant to be together. Inesianiga for you.
What the heck? What are you doing? What is going on here?
Jidena, what are you doing here?
No, that's not the point. Wait. Don't tell me you left your beautiful house in the city, drove your beautiful car down here to this rickety goat house to do laundry for a village teacher. You gotta be kidding me, man.
Gina, the good thing is that I am in a good mood. But let me make this clear to you. You see this goat house? My heart, my life, and everything in me lies in this house. Why are you acting like you don't know that Stanley and I have been friends for a very long time and that we are dating? Why are you acting surprised?
Oh, come off that shit. What are you talking about? Listen, don't let this gutter snipe talk you into doing rubbish. Look at me, man. We've made money. We stay fresh, we stay clean, we stay fly. Come on, man, we're not the most eyes. We're the hottest in town, baby. You should be with me.
Jidenna, enough of this. Fly with your flying. Fly out of this compound.
Listen, I just hope you know what you're doing. But I'm gonna deal with this low life for demeaning my future wife.
You would not do that. You would not come to my man's house and degrade him. Don't think because you invested some money in my company that you think you can come and say whatever rubbish that suits you. I would not take it. Please get out.
Sweetheart, and I won't allow you either to put me in a competition with this low life over you.
Bitter heart, get the hell out of my compound.
Watch me do.
And I hope those things you have on your neck are real, because if it rains, I swear thunder will strike you.
Trust me, 2 of those cars cannot achieve this.
Let's go from here. I said leave. Under this heat, Baba jackets. Oni, please just continue what you're doing. Don't mind him. Nonsense.
Nonsense! How can our daughter, our own daughter, I mean my late brother's child, beautiful, classy, looking elegant, how can our own daughter be seen in that poor man's house doing housework? Never. This nonsense has to stop. And it must stop. It must stop.
It must stop. Look, woman, you have to call Kamdiri to order.
Exactly.
You have to call her to order with immediate effect. What is wrong with that girl? Eh? Doesn't she know her class?
Oh.
Imagine her being seen with a teacher that has not received his salary for 5 months.
Hey.
5. Eh?
Mama.
Why is she doing that kind of person?
What is going on here? Them. Ask them all. I don't know. They have been here shouting like bulldogs. Ask them. Sorry, my elders. What is this meeting for? Why this meeting in my father's compound?
Look, Kamdere. We forbid you from going to Uhuala Kingdom to see that one teacher. Yes. What are you doing to us? What kind of insult is this? Eh? Disgracing the whole family with that nonsense and useless boy. Bringing shame to the family. Bringing shame.
Oh.
So it's true. It's true that you hungry fellows collected money from Jidenna so that I will marry him. Makagine, do I look like goods that you will give to somebody and collect money in exchange? Let me ask you people. Sure, you have daughters. Fine, curvy daughters at that. Why don't you give your daughters to him to marry? Now let me make this clear. You see Uhuala Kingdom? I will definitely go there. Yes. They will be my people and I will be their wife.
Never! Never!
It will not happen.
Okay, man.
What happened?
Let's go.
Let's go.
You will hear from us.
Are you going?
You can't hear me. It will not happen. You cannot bring shame to this family. You cannot bring shame to this family.
Come back now. See this one. Hungry. Never. You will die of BP. Yes. You see that one in front? You will die of BP. Exactly. That fat one. Just look at him shouting, never. As old as he is, BP will kill you. If not this night, tomorrow morning. Wham! Negra. Let's go. No, ma. Welcome. Oh. Thank you, Mama.
on attacking. If open on
Oh, really? Wow, you're doing great. Let me see. Okay, so this is the next thing you're going to do for me. Okay, finish up this water ones, okay? When you're done with it, you bring it.
Hey, you, Papa! Papa like you. I think it's high time I taught you a lesson.
Excuse me, this is a school and not a marketplace.
Oh, please, shut the hell up. Today is gonna be your last. I promise you that.
Hope there is no problem. The school is worried and curious.
Listen, I need to speak with the proprietor and I need to speak with him now.
Okay, meet me right away.
Imagine the dinner. I went to Malaysia to mingle with drug lords. It's not making you feel less of a man. If I talk now, you say you have plans. And yet I'm not even seeing any plan. Calm. That one, her own says she cannot just do anything. She should try and mingle you with people that matters. Now do something now.
See, I'm not depending on Kamdiri for anything. I'm still waiting for Chief. Please, I already sent my letter. Once he approves it now, all this nonsense will stop.
When? You have been saying this thing for how? When?
I don't know now. I don't know, Ibe. What do you want to do? I'm only hopeful.
You are only hopeful. That is how you keep being hopeful. This young boy will just come and take the only thing you have.
That will never happen.
It will never happen. Watch and see now. I brought this for you. Easy.
All this for me?
Oh, yes. Just take it. Easy. Yes. Easy, let me.
Thank you.
And this one, you will use this one to buy some provisions, Just think. Yes.
All this money for me?
Yeah. Just enjoy yourself, okay?
It's too much now.
No, it's not much. Just get some provisions so that your face will be shining.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're such a good man.
Oh!
You're so caring.
Oh, thank you so much. Welcome.
Hi. I love you.
If I have we last, for how long? You use your spiritual power, gonna be fine girl. Obtaining by tricks, ikukwara kuponsa. She got it fine boy by prophecy. She got it fine boy by prophecy. If I have we last, for how long? You use your spiritual power, gonna be fine boy. Obtaining by tricks.
Idiot! Useless man! You will kiss that for one day. You will kiss them. Where is she? Where is the guy you're doing in your sleep? Where is she?
Neka, you poured water on me.
Yes.
What will you do, Neka?
What will you do?
Huh?
What will you do?
Neka! What will you do?
Yeah, Mama. Thank God you are here. Yeah, we have come to tell you to talk to your late brother's son.
You mean Stanley?
Yes, to stay away from our daughter. Because next time we will see him close to our daughter, he will not like himself.
Yeah. Yes, Ichen Nana. We only respect your title in this land.
Thank you.
If not, we would have dealt with that boy. Doesn't he know his class?
Let me tell you now.
His class is way below. Down.
Don't
Below.
insult my son.
Also?
Don't insult. You heard me very well. Nai, tell them not to talk to my son anyhow or insult my son.
It's enough.
What is enough?
Ozuko,
Eh?
Ozuko, it's
Why
enough.
not allow my son to breathe?
It's okay.
Allow my son to breathe.
Down. That's where it belongs.
Yeah, no, here. My elders.
Nana.
I have heard you people. I have heard you. There's no problem. So this is why you actually came to my compound.
Yes.
Okay, Inokwa. Who told you that the girl is not in love? The girl is in love. Are you going to marry your daughter?
Tell your son to find his class. His class is down below. Down.
Where is your class? On top of Fukudara.
It's okay.
On top of Udara tree.
It is okay.
What would you do? You will not do anything. Nah, because you never poor.
There's no
genuine
problem. Okay. Like I was saying, I will talk to Stanley.
That what happened?
I will talk to him.
Good.
To stay away from
that
the
I
girl.
will talk to him.
Good. Please talk to him.
I will.
Because Sinu Ben poor.
Talk
Sinu
to
Ben
him.
poor.
I will talk to him.
A word is enough.
His class is down below. Down below.
See, Jeff Fichike. Allow my son to breathe. Don't insult my son.
I will talk to him.
Neka. How many times have I told you to stop? How many times have I told you to stop fighting your husband, eh? He will kill you one day, oh. Do you want him to kill you?
You will not dare. Njoku will not kill me. He wants to bring in another woman into this house. I will not allow it. It will never happen. God forbid. God,
calm down. Let me do this thing.
It's too hot.
It's too hot, but you were the one fighting.
Easy.
Wait now.
Easy. Hey, easy.
Sorry.
Njoku is a wicked man. Njoku is a wicked man. He's evil. Look at what he did to my face. Look at he gave me one blow of 7 apples. Hey. Easy, take it easy.
Sit down well, let me do this, you know. He wants you to stop talking to him anyhow now. This is the time you're supposed to be making peace with your husband, Okwaya.
Peace about Kwako.
Peace about Kwako.
I will kill Njoku. I will kill that useless man. Before he will think of bringing anybody in this house, I will kill him. Bet me.
You're already having bruises. You will kill him. Wait, what if he impregnates another woman? What will you do?
I will kill him and kill that woman.
Jaja.
This one is still paining me.
Keep your face well, Nick. I will leave this in and go.
You take it easy now. It's paining me. Can't you see?
I'm taking it easy now. How easy do you want me to take it? Ha.
Okay, easy.
My beautiful Cam. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
So tell me, you are this pretty, intelligent, yet you are single. What is going on?
I don't understand the question, ma.
Do you want to end up like me? Oh, I was once married. At least I have a story. What is your problem? Okay. A handsome, good-looking young man came to my office, asking me. No, he was practically begging me to speak to you about marriage. Oh yes. And from everything that I've seen so far, I would say he likes you. Oh, I didn't tell you. He also invested in my company. Meaning, his money now also oils this company.
Oh, I see. But I already have a man, ma.
And what does he do for a living? A community school teacher. You are not funny. This is a total case of misplaced of priority. A secondary school teacher that you can afford to pay his salary all his life. Have you no class, or you just don't have taste for good things? I'm sorry, ma, but that is my personal issue. Come. I did not go to him. He came to me. Ma. It's okay. Please, whatever you are doing, don't make him police investments away from my company. That is all I ask for. All right, ma. I've heard you. You must be kidding me. Come. I said I heard you. You can leave. Thank you, ma. Come. I like your spirit. Oh, yes. Jeez. There is no way I am going to continue like this. I must free myself of the shackles. Jidenna. Enough of this insult.
Nah, look, I must marry Kamdiri. Whether anybody likes it or not, I must marry her. I don't care who is in contest. I must marry her.
You cannot marry Kamdiri. Kamdiri is too exposed and more prominent than you. Or you don't know?
Wait, Nanyo, I don't understand you. What do you mean?
Kamdiri is a big girl in the city.
And so?
A woman who has a big car and a big mansion in the city. She's very, very exposed. Or you want her to turn you into a rag?
Nah, look, Uncle, leave that narrative. That narrative has to change. Kamdiri can never disrespect me to that level. And Kamdiri has been friends since our childhood.
She will not disrespect you because both of you have been friends from youth, Abi?
Yes, we have been childhood friends.
So what makes you think that she has not changed? Look, let me tell you something. You have to bring your head down. Look for a low-level girl of your class and marry. Kamdiri has seen a lot. She's not the best for you. You see, I cannot sit down here and watch you marry Kamdiri. Not while I'm still alive.
Nah, thank you very much. Thank you. You have said your own, Akwaya?
Yes.
You have done?
Yes.
Wonderful. Bye. Bye-bye.
Do not say I did not warn you. The young woman, talk to your son.
That's what happened.
Talk to your son.
I should talk to my son about what?
You
marry her. What is your point?
Man.
Are you saying that that Kamdiri is a rich woman and she has seen a lot in the city? You are just my son's uncle and not his father.
Yes.
So stop all this thing you're telling him. That Kambili or Kandiri will not make a good wife. It's not your business. Allow my son to marry whoever he wants.
It will not happen.
He is my son.
Go and bring her now and force
because please, go back.
What you think? See her, visionarist.
She's a seer.
You must believe her. She's a seer.
She's a seer.
If our house will last, for how long?
For how long?
You use your spiritual power, gonna be fine boy.
Gonna be fine boy.
Obtaining by tricks ịgụkwara akwụkwọ nsọ. She carry fine boy by prophecy. She carry fine boy by prophecy. If our house will last for how long?
My darling husband. Dim nolumo ego. What can be some? Let me sit this for you. Hey. Sit. What can be some? Obi. I want to apologize. Yes. I'm sorry for whatever I have ever done to you. In any way I must have wronged you in the past, forgive me. I'm so sorry. I am now a changed person. I want to be a good wife to you. Oh, no come.
Are you serious? Neka.
Obi. Henceforth, you can go ahead and get another wife that can give us plenty children. I don't mind. I don't mind. I'm okay with it now.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
Ezioku?
Obi, I want peace to reign in this house. I'm tired of all the troubles. Remember how we used to be when you married me, Noli? I want us to bring that love back. When you used to pamper me, love me. Obi Mo.
Please, I want to ask you something. Did you touch this food?
Your food?
And we're kissing Metundi and Waka.
No, I didn't touch your food though.
Go inside and get a second spoon. Let's eat it together. Oh, don't worry, I will feed you.
Oh,
baby, just eat small now. There's love in sharing. Just eat small.
I have eaten.
Oh, you've
I'm
eaten?
filled up. I can't eat any other one now. I'm filled up. I don't want to throw up.
Oh, you don't want to throw
my
up?
My stomach is filled up.
I see.
Just eat. I can feed you.
Listen, tell them you cannot get me. Yes!
How do you mean? I don't understand.
Tell them you cannot get me. Oh, you want to kill me? You think I don't walk with my instinct? Aguya? You want to kill the only son? You want to kill an orphan like me? Get Aliyah. Now you failed. Bye. Eat that food. Make sure you finish that food.
Njoku, my darling.
Look at you. You want to kill me?
Hey, this man is a wizard. There is nothing anybody can tell me. No. He's a wizard. I must be here. Njoko. Hey, Njoko. Your instincts and your God have saved you. But don't worry. The boys now no banata ne chibunta. Ke mankai mankozo. Ngete kunyegi this house abi. Hey. How did he know? Ke kusimara. Now we are in no work. I see. Okay.
Yo, Manu, this is the second time I'm coming around here. And I got this feeling that I'm not welcome here. Do you not like me?
No, not at all.
Then why do I keep having this feeling that I'm not welcomed here? How you gonna choose that poor puppy puppet over a rich and famous dude like me? Huh?
I don't know. You said you felt so, but I don't really know.
Come on, man. Stop tripping, yo. I just want to make you rich. I want to make you the richest mother-in-law in town. Alright? Now hold on. I got a little something for you. So let's start with this.
when you finally convince her to get married to me and become a queen, enroll in the league of real men like my homie Jay-Z, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, you're gonna see more of this shit coming.
Thank you very much. But unfortunately, I have double of all these things. As for money, my daughter placed me on a monthly salary of 150,000 naira with abundance of food. So tell me, what am I going to do with all these things? I have them in abundance.
Woman, why are you tripping? Huh? Why are you hating? You know what they call me? I guess not. Yo, Pablo, tell them lady what they call me.
Mommy came to him. You wanna quiet? This is Indomie and egg. If you take this thing for your breakfast, you eat here like this, or hazard your skin. Then came to him to marry this man. Tell her to marry this man. Who make you rich? When you get go Yibo, go to the other fool.
You see, that's what I'm talking about. Convince your daughter. Tell her to get married to me, and you'll see more of this shit coming.
She has a kingdom of her own. She has a king. I may be her mother, but not a subject.
Woman. Why you keep tearing me apart? Why you tripping? Huh? Now I can see that poor wretched king have declared all of you. All of you. But guess what? I'ma have this my own way. I know exactly what to do. Yo, Pablo, get me out of here.
Hey, Pablo, please, carry all these things. I have them in abundance.
You can keep
Come and take all these things. I don't need them.
Yeah, Indomie and egg. Check it out. Please, Indomie and egg. Hazard.
Pablo!
He's my love. Rock me, I love him like that. Anna Hagari, Anna Hataki, he's my choice. Better days ahead. No condition is permanent. No matter what they say, no matter what they do, there is a better tomorrow. I believe in our future. When I go, I say a double. Ona Hagari, Ona Hataki, if I he's my love. Rock me, I love him like that. Ona Hagari, Ona Hataki, he's my.
I got this letter.
You are a good person. We always miss you.
Ma, does it mean I'm sacked?
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Jidena.
I'm sorry.
Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. We love ourselves. It doesn't matter what one can afford.
Neka! You mean to say you tried to poison your husband? Neka! Hey! Yaguchi, why haven't you found out the girl that my husband is seeing in this village? What is holding you? Eh? Look, I monitored him. I've tried. And so far, I have not seen with any girl. I put it to you that you are not doing your job very well. Ugochi, you are not doing this job very well at all. Look, Neka, calm down. Calm down. See, I have a solution.
What solution are you talking about?
Yeah. Ugochi, what is it? Married women in your conditions are doing it. Yes. Do it and save your marriage. Since your husband is claiming that he is productive enough, perhaps he's looking for any other girl out there to prove it to you. So my opinion right now, it is the best solution ever.
Ugochi, that is cheating, no? You want me to cheat on my husband?
Ha! Are you not the one that told me he just escaped your poisoning? So, cheating on him to get what you want and poisoning him for him to die. Which one is better? Neka, use your brain. Cheat on my husband. Think about it, oh. You will do it.
Ugochi, you are bad, oh. You enjoy.
Better start to think.
Wait a minute. You mean he asked the school proprietor to sack you? Wow. So tell me, how do you feel about it? Are you happy? Stanley, for goodness sake, what is this pride? What is this ego that will not let you allow me take your potentials to the peak of your dream? Listen, I am here to let this fear out, whether you like it or not. Yes.
I'm going to see Chief Johnson tomorrow.
Oh my goodness, you are not going to see Chief Johnson. I am submitting your credentials to my boss tomorrow. And trust me, he would not even take a second thought on this. Stanley, you are bigger than this. You are superb. You got me to this point, have you forgotten? What is with you and Chief Johnson? Can you just let him go with his flimsy promises that he never keeps?
Well, he promised me. He said he was going to put me in charge of his companies.
Are you being serious right now? No, did you listen to yourself? Stanley, have you forgotten that this man has kids? Sons and daughters that are doing excellently well in that company. How do you want to fight them? How do you intend to beat them to that? Are you joking? Come of it. Stanley, I told you about the dream
Babe, what is this with this your dream? What dream?
How many times am I going to say it? Chief Johnson disappointed you. Yes. So, babe. Stanley!
I'm telling you, this guy is very, very good.
It's very good, eh?
Very good. I can't wait to see him come and testify. I can't wait. He's here. Go and check if he's the one.
AJK meets Neka. My friend Neka. AJK.
Wow.
Hi.
Hi. You're beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, let me leave you guys to. Yeah, come inside. I'm coming. Okay. You're not looking bad, yourself.
Yeah, you too. you look like food.
Food?
Yeah.
What?
Can I eat you?
Small.
I brought souvenir for you. Just wait. Yeah. Perfume.
Perfume?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's have a roll.
It smells nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come to Big Daddy. How you doing, baby?
I'm good.
I want to take you to Malaysia.
Are you always like this?
No, it's not like I'm always like this, you know. I'm happy that I met you too, you know. You know how we do, baby. Come to me, baby.
Baby.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. I've been sick. That's why you've not been seeing me around.
Sick?
Ibe,
I don't get a chocolate.
yeah.
Sorry. You want to go call?
Yeah, thank you, my love. Yes.
Sorry.
So, how are you?
Not really fine.
Not really fine. What happened? What is it?
Nothing. Don't worry, I'm fine.
No. You can't tell me you're fine. Why you're not fine? What are you hiding?
I'm not hiding anything.
Talk to me.
I'm fine. I want to go home.
John, I insist. You must tell me that thing. Via the Inobi. Come here. Talk to me. Eh?
Okay.
Eh? Am I not your baby? Eh?
Okay. If you insist, I'll tell you.
Talk to me.
I need some money.
I said it. I don't want to tell you. I'm fine. I know something is involved. Okay, like how much are we talking about now?
Just 5,000 naira. But not to worry. I'll tell my brother about it. He'll give me the money.
Try.
Now, don't worry. My brother will sort it out.
You know what? You follow me to my house. I think I have up to 10,000 naira in my drawer.
Oh.
I'll give you all.
I can't go to your house now. You're a married man. What if people see us? They will start saying ill things about me. You're a married man.
Baby, listen. My wife is not around. She traveled.
Even if she's not around, you go and bring the money. I will stand here and wait for you.
Baby, I've been bringing money for you all the time. This time around, come to my house. You're coming at my house. Come and collect it. Eh?
I can't come to your house. So. I can't come to your house and collect the money. Bring it here. I will stand here and wait for you.
Baby, listen. My house, I don't train German dogs in my house. My house is a home for everyone. Just come and collect this one.
Not for someone like me. We're a home of everyone. I would do madam.
You know what? Let me be going now. Eh? Maybe you can come later. Maybe later in the day and collect the money. I think it's better that way.
I said I can't come to your house.
I gave each and every one of you 500,000 bucks to make Kamdiri dance to my tune. But she's stressing me out right now. I'm stressed out. Now you don't tell me I gave a bunch of nitwits my hard-earned money.
Yeah, I want my son.
Hey. Don't even go there. Don't even come up with that shit. I'm not your son. You ain't my father either. Now y'all listen up. You got 7 days to make sure I get married to Kamdiri Chukwu. Otherwise, y'all don't want to mess with me. Y'all don't want to see what I can do to y'all. I got my eyes there.
Yeah? I'm sure you now on a corner. What do you know water? What do you know water? But let me let you know, say, when an office come courtist, when I once come courtist, Abi, you know they see. You know they see, Abi. Sure, I want collect, Abi. I want you TV. I want you to feel this to kill you. Now, problem no the kanga for us.
Did he just say cultist?
You heard him now.
So we've been dealing with cultists. Hey!
Hey! Oh!
But what are we going to do? That boy has threatened us with a date. And we are not making any headways. Eh?
Good afternoon, sir.
I think we have to visit Camp Delim in the city. That is the best option.
That's a very good option. But what if she decline again? You know she loves that one teacher so much.
My brother, let us not conclude here. Let us go and see her first in the city.
It's okay.
And I will want us to let Ichiogu know the situation of things.
Oh, that is very important. Yes, we have to let him know.
Hi.
I just pray that things work out well.
Hey.
I thought she was here. Where has she gone to? Onyinye Chukwu! Onyinye! Onyinye, come and buy onion for me, oh! Onyinye! Where is this girl? No problem. You will come back and meet me in this house. She just disappeared.
Woo! This is so delicious, man. Baby. Oh, calm down, baby.
That was so hot.
Oh, baby.
You're bad.
Yeah, I'm bad. I'm a bad boy.
Bad.
Call me a bad boy.
You just finished me.
That's how we roll, baby. I know you want some more.
No!
Come on, baby.
That would be 5. Number 5.
Yeah.
5 rounds.
Mm-hmm.
No. You want to kill me?
One for the road.
My body is paying me.
You need more.
No.
Huh?
I'm okay for
This will make you a better woman.
I have to start going.
You want to go?
It's getting late.
I thought you would stay for the night.
To spend the night in the hotel?
Oh, yes?
My husband will kill me. You don't know that I'm a married woman?
You can just cook up a story and tell him now.
No, not my husband. He will kill me. I need to start going. Please.
No. Or die or die.
No, wait. Next time we can do more. Not today again.
Yeah, one for the road.
Hey, Ejike, please.
One for the road.
Do you know what he did to my leg? One was here, one was there.
One for
Ejike, I need to start going. No, wait.
One for the road.
I said that.
One for the road.
How are you?
You would like this one.
You want to rape me?
No.
I said I'm okay.
Easy. Don't worry. Relax yourself, huh? You're here?
Yes.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm here to collect the money so that I can leave, please.
Just relax yourself, okay? Just come inside. I'm alone. My wife is not around.
No,
okay?
no. It hasn't gotten to that now. Just give me the money so I can leave. I can't come inside.
I relax now. I just said my wife is not around. I'm alone at home. Just relax. Free your mind. Just come. What? Just relax yourself. Huh? My wife is not around. Just come. Oh, come now. Go, relax yourself. Yeah. Relax yourself.
Good afternoon, Mama. Did you see or hear your friend? No, I'm just coming in. I've been calling her for her to go and buy onion for me. I have something to cook inside. And she's nowhere to be found. Ochewalo Puwalo, without telling me she's going out.
Mama, I can go and buy it for you.
You buy for me?
Yes, let me go and buy it for you.
Thank you. But this thing she's doing is not good. Advise her. Is she not your friend? Is this how you behave?
No, Mama. I'll talk to her.
Are you sure you don't behave like that?
No, at all. Not at all.
Please, don't throw this money away.
No.
This is my only money. The only money I have in this house. Buy 100 naira onion and bring back 100 naira for tomorrow.
Okay, 1 onion, Abi?
It's not one now. It's about 4 pieces.
Oh, 4 pieces.
Don't go and buy 20 naira on and tell me it's one.
No problem, Mama, no problem.
Onye will come back and meet me in this house. Gasike, oh! Fresh one, oh!
This one over here is acting strange. Hope it's not what I'm thinking. And she's not even inside. Let me just drop this stuff. I don't know. Let me check.
What is it? Calm down. My wife is not around. I'm alone.
Please, can you give me the money so that I can start going?
Okay, let's shift. Let me bring it. Yeah, this is it. You like it?
Thank you. Thank you very much. I have to go.
Just like that. Can't you at least hug me? Eh? Could be talk one more talk. Eh? Just hug me, okay? Hug me. Calm down, just hug me. Eh?
Yes, I know I promised to hand over some of my properties to you to manage, including my company. I'm sorry, my daughter and my son, they are doing extremely well. I didn't know they would perform as much.
Chief, I'm not of the opinion that you disregard the effort of your children. I'm only saying that you employ me as a staff. Chief, I'm out of jobs. And you promised to accept my request when you get back from London.
Yes, at this moment, there is no vacancy in the company right now. But not to worry, I'll get back to you. I'll figure out something.
Alright, Chief. Thank you very much. How's your health?
I'm good, thanks. My driver will drop you at the junction.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Remember your promise to me. I need your help.
How could you do this to me? Why did you do this?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You know, babe, my libido was very high. And I could not resist your beauty. Do you know how beautiful you are? Look at your skin everywhere now. Moro. How you good?
You took away my pride.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm so sorry.
How could you? Your wife. Your wife.
Why do you not stop? Why are you there? And stop.
Don't worry. But let me tell you, Stanley did not promise to marry you. He doesn't want to marry you. You should know that. Neka, you see this conversation? I don't want to have it again. Yes. Don't ever bring up this topic again. I really don't want to get upset, and that is why I'm being this calm. Don't you ever bring up this conversation again, please.
Hey, now help, I want help you.
Have you finished helping yourself?
Hey, make I help you first.
Shift away from my door.
Now help. I said make I help my friend.
You want to
Is
help
it a
me
crime?
And you are still here. Wearing old wig and old clothes. You want to help
Forget
me?
about my wig. I am concerned about you. You're my friend.